Hello, guys. Did you know that there's a system app on almost every Android phone that can quietly build up a large amount of storage over time? Most people never check it because it's hidden among the system apps. But depending on how long you've been using your phone, it could be using hundreds of megabytes or even more. In this video, I'll show you where to find it, how to clear its stored data, and one additional setting that you may want to review. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Next, tap the menu option and enable Show System Apps. Then tap OK to apply the changes. Then tap the search icon and type Google. Scroll through the list until you find Speech Recognition and Synthesis or Speech Services by Google. The exact name may vary depending on your phone. Tap on it. Now look at the storage section. As you can see on my device, it's using 7.48 megabytes of storage. On some phones, it may be less, while on others, it can be much higher, especially if you've never cleared it before. Let me know in the comments how much storage this app was using on your phone. I'd be interested to see the results. To free up the storage, tap Storage, then select Clear Data or Manage Storage, depending on your device. Before we continue, let me quickly explain what this app does. Google Speech Services helps Android convert speech into text and text into speech. It's used for features like voice typing, voice search, accessibility tools, and other voice-related functions. Over time, the app may store downloaded language files and other data, which is why its storage usage can grow. Now let's look at another setting. Go back to the app information page and open the battery section. If you rarely use voice typing or speech features, you can set the battery option to restricted, so tap on restriction. This may help reduce background activity, although some voice features may not work as smoothly until you open the app again. That's it. These are a few simple settings worth checking if you want to free up storage space and review how speech services are configured on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how much storage you cleared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.